Hello, good day everyone. I'm Tevs. Welcome back to this channel. This next repair is a Toshiba 40-inch LED TV. Not turning on and has no standby light indicator. I'll show you how to fix it. If you like electronics and want to learn how to repair TVs and other electronic gadgets, you came to the right channel. So please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. You can also ring the notification bell to keep you updated. So let's get started. The TV is not turning on, so let's check the voltages. Let's measure the main capacitor voltage. The TV is not plugged into the main outlet, but let's just measure whether the main capacitor is charged or not. It's charged about 369 volts, so it means the main fuse is okay. Let's measure the secondary voltages. 16 volts and climbing onto this capacitor. 4.2 volts onto this capacitor. 24.5 onto this capacitor. And 24.5 volts on all of the larger capacitors. .2 to the smaller one, same onto this capacitor. The 4.2 volts seem not normal voltage, which is the standby supply. Let's measure the EEPROM supply voltage. 3.19 volts seems just right. Let's measure the DC to DC buck converter voltages. No voltage was measured for all of the DC to DC buck converters. Let's remove the main power supply and see more information. I almost forgot to discharge the main capacitor. Let's discharge it for safety. Let's see where this capacitor connection goes, which the voltage is increasing or not stable. It is connected directly to the cathode of this diode, and the diode is connected to the transformer, and the diode of the stable 24.5 volts is also connected to the same transformer. This is increasing voltage. This is stable at 24.5 volts. I think the 24.5 volts is where the feedback gets, so the voltage is stable or regulated. We will connect the negative probe to the cathode of the diode, which has an unstable voltage. An increasing or unstable voltage happens when it has no load to it. Set the multimeter to continuity mode. And locate the line onto the main board. Beep means it is the line we are looking at. This is the unstable voltage line. Let's locate what component is it connected to. It is connected to this fuse. The fuse that connects to the unstable voltage is open. The voltage is unstable because there is no load. This capacitor seems shorted. Another shorted capacitor beside it. The two shorted capacitor is probably connected in parallel, so they are tested shorted. The shorted capacitor is the reason why the fuse gets open. Let's remove this one. The short circuit is gone. This capacitor is shorted. Let's replace it with a 1206 capacitor. A 1206 capacitor is 50 volts and 4.7 microfarads. It is ideal for this rail line. Let's test it. It's a bit lower capacity. Let's solder it. Let's not remove the open fuse. Let's just solder the good fuse on top of it. I chose a 3 amp fuse because seems it draws a high load of supply to the DC to DC converters. Seems all good now. Let's try it. The voltage is stable now at 12.0 volts and seems the system is going to standby mode. That is why the voltage is dropping. The 4.2 volt standby supply is okay, not a problem. We have a standby light indicator now. Let's turn on the TV. Seems working now. The unstable voltage is the 12 volts rail, not stable before because there was no load caused by the open fuse. The fuse was open caused by the shorted capacitor. The 4.2 volts standby supply is not an issue.
A few moments later.
The TV now is working great. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something from this video. You can help this channel by liking and subscribing. You can also ring the notification bell to keep you updated on the new release videos.
Hello.
Once again, I'm Tefs. See you again next time. Bye for now.
Back to this channel.